to disconnect BGMI from Facebook? I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide. If you linked your Battlegrounds mobile India account to Facebook and now want to unlink it, whether for privacy, security, or switching to another login method, the process is simple, but you'll need to do it carefully to avoid losing access to your game data. First, open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and log into the account that's connected to your BGMI profile. Once you're signed in, go to your account menu. On the app, you can tap the three horizontal lines on the top right if you're on Android, or the bottom right if you're on iPhone. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. From there, scroll until you find Permissions and tap on Apps and Websites. This is where Facebook lists all the third-party apps that are linked to your account. Next, under the Active tab, look for Battlegrounds Mobile India or BGMI. Once you find it, tap or click the checkbox beside it, then select Remove. Facebook will ask if you also want to delete all posts, photos, and videos BGMI may have shared on your behalf. Confirm this by checking the box if you prefer a clean break. After that, confirm the removal. At this point, your Facebook account is no longer linked to your BGMI profile. However, that's just the Facebook side. To ensure it's fully disconnected in the game itself, open BGMI on your device. On the login screen, don't tap the Facebook login option anymore. Instead, link your game to another method such as Google Play Games or Apple ID depending on your device. If you're already logged in, go to Settings in the game, then Basic, and check the section that shows your linked accounts. If Facebook still appears, unlink it if the option is available, or log out and sign back in using your new preferred method. Keep in mind that unlinking your Facebook account may affect your ability to recover progress if that was your only linked option. To stay safe, always make sure your BGMI account is connected to at least one other login method before removing Facebook. That way, all your in-game purchases, achievements, and data stay secure. Once everything is set, your BGMI account will function independently from Facebook. You'll still be able to play, connect with friends through in-game options, and enjoy the same experience, just without Facebook access tied to your gaming account.